So in this video today, I'm going to be making a spring wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. All right, so we're going to start out here with poofing up this wreath, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesdays, and this is being hosted by Lola's Creations, DIY with Aria, and they do have a guest, and it's Shabby Meets Bling. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now, once we have all of the greenery poofed up, I had to go into my stash and grab all of the loose florals. And I wanted to make sure these are all such beautiful flowers, guys. Perfect for the spring and summer. And so we're going to go ahead and start gluing them right into that wreath. Now my favorite is adding the Queen Anne's lace, but I do have one other favorite, guys, and wait till I get to it. Now this is one of my favorites. This is actually my favorite, guys. The hummingbird, and this is what she looks like. Isn't she gorgeous? I am loving it. And so I decided to go ahead and add her to the wreath, and I can't wait for you to head on over to the reveal to see what this is gonna look like. Now, doesn't she look gorgeous, guys? The sun is out. She looks perfect on my door. I think this came out amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.